Hey guys, buenos dias, or buenas tardes, good afternoon. It's Parrish here live from our project here in San Crisanto. Just wanted to give everybody an update. Hopefully it's not too windy and you can hear me here, but we got the first floor completed here, and we're about to start the walls here next week. So please like and share this video, spread the word about Mexico and our property here. If you love Mexico as much as we do, please follow and like and share this video. Really appreciate it, and thank you for helping us with that. So for those that don't know or are possibly newer followers or fans here, we are a Canadian developer from Saskatoon. I'm one half of that of the company. My partner Mike resides back in Saskatoon, and I'm on the ground here. I live in Merida, and I'm on the ground here managing the construction project. And yeah, we are building a new project, our current project, just outside of Merida in Yucatan state. We are just Merida is 2.5 hours west of Cancun, for those that don't know. We are 45-50 minutes outside of Merida, so Merida has a great airport, international airport, easy accessible flights from many parts of Canada. Well, sorry, Toronto. WestJet flies direct to Merida out of Toronto in the winter months, but many connections are available, and there are many hubs in the US that offer flights direct to Merida. So it's a great affordable area, low cost of living here, excellent investment. We're providing clients a vacation property, rental property, investment property, whatever the case is. We have affordable prices. We have our ground floor units. Currently we have 2 units left. They're on sale, $184,900 right now. I'm going to turn around so you can see the ocean here. So there's the ocean just behind me there. We're set back 50 meters from the ocean. So we have 2 units left, ground floor units, $184,900 on sale right now. So that's for 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,640 square feet. Huge property on a white sand beach. So an excellent investment here, excellent investment. So I'm not going to keep this too long. Just going to show you what we've got done here, and show you the floor here, and here we go. So the guys have just completed the first floor. They're working on some plumbing and electrical installations right now. Our elevator is right back here at the rear of the property. So here's the highway back here. The San Crisanto, the village, is just down this way. So here's we have 2 towers. This project is 2 towers. So 1 tower here, we have a walkway in the middle, elevator at the back with staircase, and the other tower is here in this vicinity where I'm standing. And we have a total of 16 condos, 16 oceanfront condos. We're doing 4 stories, plus the rooftop rooftop penthouse. It's a private area for the penthouse owners. So a total of 5 levels. So this, as you can see here, this is one apartment from all the way from here across to here. That's one condo, 1,640 square feet. And these are our terraces. We have large terraces. So 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So pretty large units. And the other tower just right here. And right out in this area, in this vicinity, is going to be our pool. We have a large pool, palapa bar. We're going to have a little kids play area, and then obviously this will all be cleaned up. We'll have a little path, a nice path to the beach, to the water. So we're set back about 50 meters from the water, and that's just due to federal regulations here, and but we're set back far enough, you know, from any surge of water or anything, so there's no concern for any anything like that happening. So you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful day, calm water. It's a beautiful area. Our water is calm, clean, shallow. It's perfect for kids, perfect for swimming. We have no rocks or no coral. So it's a great, beautiful day here, about 32 degrees. So another beautiful day in paradise. So yeah, within next week we're going to be starting the walls for the first level, and the structure does not take long at all. So this was the most intense, labor intense part, the foundation and preparing the structure, the foundation, the flooring, everything, the pilings, all that is time consuming. And now once we've got this stage done, the structure, the levels actually go up pretty fast. So we now have a little office set up here on site. Our architect and contractor have a little office area set up, so things are coming along here. So I'm going to keep it short, but if anybody has any questions or anybody wants any information on the units we have remaining, please send us an email, or send us a message, give us a call. You'll find our contact info on this page or on our website, regalproperty.net. And yeah, our sale is expiring July 15th on our ground floor units. The $15,000 discount expires July 15th. So if anybody's interested, better lock in that pricing. You can lock it in with the refundable deposit. Small refundable deposit can hold that pricing. If you want to plan a trip to come down, we can work with you. We have a fly and buy program available as well, which many clients have taken advantage of. So yeah, so anyways, that'll about wrap it up. And yeah, if any questions, let us know. If not, have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll be back again soon.